It might come as a surprise to charities and board members that aspects of a liability suit may not be covered in the liability insurance policy that they choose. This is because most insurance companies in Canada cover what is known as compensatory damages only in a civil suit. Compensatory damages are damages that are awarded or settled as a result of a lawsuit because of compensation for something. It could be financial compensation related to loss of future income. It could be related to compensation related to the care of that individual who's been injured and may have suffered a serious and permanent injury. Compensatory damages also include what is known as non-pecuniary compensatory damages, and this is what is commonly known as mental anguish claims, pain and suffering claims, and so forth. One of the unique aspects of Canadian law is that in 1977, the Supreme Court of Canada placed a cap on non-pecuniary compensatory damages for pain and suffering. In the Trilogy case in 1977, the Supreme Court said that the maximum that any individual victim of this type of claim can claim for in damages is $100,000. That amount was indexed, and today it stands at just short of $400,000. This cap on pain and suffering claims has been a limitation sometimes on victims of abuse liability claims and other types of liability claims in terms of settlements in excess of the $400,000. And because of this, many lawyers representing injury victims have sought to include an element of what is known as punitive or exemplary damages in claims. This is because there is no cap on settlements or awards relating to punitive damages. So as you can see, if your insurance policy contains a cap on or a restriction or exclusion for punitive and exemplary damages, you may actually be at the receiving end of a lawsuit where you're only covered for a very small portion of the claim. Evidence of this is the fact that in recent years we've had two charitable organization clients with Robertson Hall who have received statement of claims which have included a lion's share of the damages as punitive damages. Fortunately for these organizations and for all of our clients, our Protection Plus policies covering churches, charities, schools, campgrounds, and all of our parachurch organizations automatically includes coverage for all insurable civil damages and has no exclusions or restrictions on punitive or exemplary damages. This is a key difference between the coverage that you have with our office and almost any other insurer in the marketplace. And it's the reason why the difference is in the details, and sometimes it's the small details or the fine print in a policy that makes all the difference in a liability claim. If you have any further questions about civil liability damages or insurance protection, please feel free to give one of our customer service brokers a call today, and we'd be happy to talk to you further about this.